But we all agreed. We all agreed that we would work together and be together. And so we had a treaty amongst ourselves. And it was called simply one dish, one spoon. That's a concept of sharing. And this world has to understand the importance of sharing. I know that in the structure of the United States, it's very contrary to that. People are not instructed to share. They're instructed to gain. They're instructed to hold to themselves. They're instructed to gather unto themselves. And they're rewarded for that. And so you have an instruction that's contrary, very contrary to this whole concept, if indeed this is what you think is right. But this, I'm simply telling you what our instructions are. And so operating under this, I've traveled to Indian nations across North America and Central America. And I always am invited to the ceremonies, and I know what's going on. I may not understand the language, and the dances may be different, but I know what is being said. It's always the same. Thanksgiving to the creation. Thanksgiving to the life-giving forces of the earth. And when the Christians came here, they made life hard for us. They brought a whole different thought and idea. And we're still suffering from that. But we can get into that on a later time. But in relation to all of this, and you're talking about conduct, our conduct is quite simple. Respect for life. And understanding that life is our relatives, and how goes it with them, goes it with us. And so we've taken this to a high degree. I'm the chief, one of the chiefs in the Council of Chiefs at Onondaga, and I sit on behalf of the Turtle Clan, even though I myself am a wolf. And I've been there since 1967. I have a lot of experience with different administrations, with different events in this country, and I've watched a lot of changes. And I see that we're not doing very well, that we seem to be moving farther and farther away from what would be good for our grandchildren and their children. And so I think that the instructions for people is to be respectful for life, appreciate what you have, share what you have, and make up your own mind about things.